All right, boys and girls, today we are going to start working with the long E sound. So the E sound is from the song, See the donkey in his stall, E or is his call. And we are going to be working with the double E, like in B, beat, green, cheese, tree, sea, wheel, sheep, screen. You are watching me on your screen right now. 3, cheek. This is the boys. These are the boys' cheeks. 1, 2. Feet. You have 2 feet. Sleep. Seeds. Seeds grow into plants. Knee. You have 2 knees. Street. Coffee. Teeth. Queen. The Queen of Spain is Queen Letizia. Peel. I peel the banana. This is your banana peel. And referee. When you play football, the man who decides is the referee. E, E, E.